What up, Super Squad? Another day and another reason the Super HubSpot Portal Replication is the best in all the land. SLA, Ticket SLAs are now in the Portal Replication. Let me send it over to Daniel to show you how it works. The Super Duper feature of Ticket SLA Rules.
Hello, this is Super Daniel bringing you an update to Package Builder. We have now added rule SLAs. So if we go into HubSpot Resources and go to our HubSpot account, we've added a new option. We can go in and type in SLA and you can see Ticket SLA Rules. So I can go in and select Ticket SLA Rules and add an example rule. And we can add its dependencies and their dependencies. So let's go to the rule just to show what it is. So you can see I have on SLA goals in the option number 3 selected, and I have this rule here called example rule. If I go in and edit it, you can see I have a few conditions set, then a time set, and then my pipeline and a countdown. So I can hit save, apply, just to make sure everything's correct. And then we'll go back to the package and we'll refresh, and all of my HubSpot resources are added. So we'll publish the package draft and we'll install. So we'll open the installer and go to my clean test account and go in and we'll hit install resources. And there we go, our rule is in. So we can go in and it automatically on this clean account select Ticket SLAs, and it automatically selects the third one if you install Ticket SLA Rules. Doesn't change anything on your other SLA rules. So if you have something set in other ones, those aren't affected. You can just toggle back to them. But you can see we have our SLA rule with all of our custom conditions and our pipelines, all of them right there. Now, let's say you already have a few SLA rules. Let's go, I have an account right here. We'll just go to Help Desk SLAs and you can see I have an example rule AX right here. So if I was to go in and go to HubSpot Resources and select my other package, and we'll hit install, open, and we'll take it to the account with the SLA already in it. So we'll go to the account with SLA and we'll just hit install. And since we already have the support pipeline, we'll skip it. And the same with the custom pipeline, we'll skip because these already exist in this account. So we've installed it and let's go into the SLA. So as you can see, we have example rule AX and we have example rule. Now, let's say we made a change. So let's say we need to update the rule and we will go edit the package. And we'll go to build package and HubSpot resources to edit it. And we'll go into our source account. Let's go to example rule. And let's say we want to edit it. And let's set time to first reply to 2 hours. We want our help desk to be really quick. So we'll hit save, apply, and we'll remove the example rule from the package and add it back. And we'll handle the dependencies so everything's up to date. We'll go back to our package and hit refresh and publish. And then we'll go install the package again. So install assets, search by package, hit install, open installer, and we'll go to account with SLAs. And now we'll install it. Same thing, it says skip, and then it says, okay, we found a duplicate ticket SLA called example rule. We can update the existing resources, accept the resources, or stop the install entirely. So we'll just hit update because we want the new state. So we go to it and we can see that it has the 2-hour change. And there we go.